and welcome back to my YouTube channel, or if you're new here, welcome. So guys, I switched it up. I got some faux locks. I have been wanting these for so long. I finally did it. So I just wanted to come on here and just go through my experience with you guys and share some behind the scenes during the process and all that stuff. So this is the size that I got. You know, it's not small, but it's not large. It's like an in-between. And it's so light, like super lightweight. I literally feel like I'm having nothing in my head, barely anything. And that's like a huge deal because normally when you get braids, it's like so heavy and just uncomfortable. You can barely sleep, or it's done really tight, where like your roots are hurting, or like your face is like where it feels like, you know, drawn back. But with these, so super light. Like I'm just like, wow. Oh, and I got the curly ends. Had to do that. Love it. I'm gonna show you guys the process of putting in this beauty. Welcome, Bree. Oh, so cute. So this is step one. I had to come with my hair washed and completely blow dried, and then the hairstylist sectioned it and put it into little twists. After that now, she then did her faux locks thing. As you can see, she's inserting the hair she uses into the twists and wrapping. Yeah, doing her thing. And then the last piece, let's not forget the curly ends, full on gypsy style. Oh, but look at you go. It doesn't even make sense.
How do they feel so far? You got about
I feel like I don't have anything in my head.
You got about 13 or 14 locks. So
really?
Yes.
Oh, wow. Hello. I don't feel a thing. Seriously.
Good.
Just showing you guys another close-up of her process, and look at her hands go. Wrap, and we're almost done. Oh,
Her breeze.
I like the brie cheese.
Bloom, not blue.
Bloom.
You gotta go into YouTube.
Oh, YouTube?
Yeah, that's what she said. She has a YouTube.
For another supporter, I'm so grateful for your support.
Yeah, subscribe to her channel.
Is this?
Yeah, that's her.
That's me.
She's looking like you, sure?
I'm done. She's so excited. The snaps.
Now check on your phone and see if you have a subscriber.
Oh my god.
Oh, I will when it comes.
Because I specifically subscribe.
Oh, thank you so much for subscribing.
Would you like me to hit the bell?
Sure. So you can get notified when I post a new video. I just love this too much. Truly.
Okay, so these are the charms and trinkets.
Ooh, let's show everyone.
And so you tell me what
So
you
we have
like.
some charms and trinkets here. I'm so excited. All right, let's see.
Not at all. Sleep paralysis is actually more common than you think, but it's
Ooh. Oh, we have a lotus, or like it looks bloomy. Is this a lotus flower, Mom? Oh, there's so many cute things in here.
I know, I probably was like, oh my god, it's like when I go to the nail shop and they be like, what?
What color do you want? Oh my god, this is such a cute little butterfly thing.
brain basically switches off the
OMG.
This one is already finished.
We're accessorizing now.
The fun part.
The fun part.
Get me it. I am my mommy's assistant.
So
Putting
cute.
in my pastel charm.
Yes.
Let's put this one right here. Right, put it on that one.
You're putting it in?
Yes, I have to try and loop it inside.
And then you close it.
Yes.
There we
There
go.
we go.
Let's see. Let me see it. Nice.
Close it up good? Yes, you did.
Okay, I'll show you guys when it's all done.
And now, the finale. Ooh.
Finale is here. How are we
Okay.
looking?
If you don't go up in that mirror, shake it out, flip it from side to side. How do you
We're
feel?
feeling this.
Yes.
A
Hey,
little connection.
Nubian goddess.
There we go. Oh, we can do it to different sides. This is a whole vibe. I love it.
I'm so glad.
Yes. And you were right. It's dusted back here.
It is.
Okay, so tell us where we can follow you.
You can follow me at Indie Joe Lovelots.
Here we go. Yep.
Yeah, follow.
All right, she did it. It looks bomb, and we're loving it. All right, bye. So I got these because I wanted to do a protective style and help to promote growth for my hair. I've been trying to get it past, right here curly, and it's just struggling. So I plan to keep these in for a month or two, probably 2 months. I'm gonna try and go through December. And this now, I've had these in for, let's see, today is Saturday, so tomorrow makes a week, so 6 days. I've had it for 6 days, and this is what it looks like. Still very neat. Still neat, and I love it. And I'm told that, the longer you have it in, obviously the looser it will look, so it will have like more of a drop and really looking like dreadlocks. I'm loving it. Jeez. So yeah, my favorite part really and truly was getting the accessories, putting it in these fun things. Where is it? Oh, there. I love this stuff. I mean, there were a few rings like plain like that, but I got some other things, but I think some fell off already. Just fine, I didn't want to have it in for too long. Oh, here we go. A little crown. Queen Brie. So, yeah, the care for it, I'm told, is I am supposed to oil it oil my scalps every 2 or 3 days. And since I've had it, I have not done it yet because I wanted to come on here and do it and show you guys. Basically, I'm gonna repeat what the hairstylist did. So I'm getting the oil, and I'm using this one. It has in so many different types of oil, like Jamaican black castor oil, red pimento essential oil, olive oil, coconut oil, rosemary, eucalyptus oil, peppermint oil. All the oils. I'm so excited. So actually I've never used this before, but I've been meaning to do it to try and grow my hair quicker. So let me open this. Okay, so I got this open. Thank goodness it comes with a syringe. So I can just, do the droplets in my hair like this. Alright, so here we go. So this is what I'm told, or this is what the hairstylist did, so I'm literally going to do the same thing. So we just follow the lines and put oil there. Just put oil in the scalp, throughout. Literally all over. Don't miss anywhere, just kind of drop it throughout. Need more. And boom, that's it. Just let it sit in here and probably rub my finger throughout, give it a little. Yep. Make sure everywhere it has some. So, of course, like, when you just get your hair done, you don't really want to mess up with roots or whatever. But this look is meant to be like, a little frizzy vibe. Not even like frizzy, just like the look. I think these are called gypsy locks. They're like, that's gypsy. I don't know what I just did, but yeah, that's what I mean. And yeah, like it's literally, I don't have to care it that much. You just, I'm told that I can shampoo or condition the roots and just kind of rub up here and it will spread throughout the locks, and then I hear it dries really quickly. I haven't tested that yet, but yeah, like low maintenance. I just get up and I move. One thing that I will do is do my baby hairs ever so often and put some gel or edge control here to finish off a look whenever I'm going somewhere. But this hair is also really versatile. I can wear it out. I'm going to show you some more styles. I can do this. Something like a half up, half down kind of thing. But with two like left hair, or you want to get extra spicy, we put two hair. Like that, and you put a clip here. You can literally put it up in, one, and have these fall in here. And if you want to see more of your face, and then you fix your baby hairs. Boom. Can literally, hold on. Can literally put it up like this. And like, do it to the side by putting a clip there, and boom. There's just so much I can do, and I'm really excited to start styling it. Like, the part is like in the middle, but I can just be like this for a side vibe. What? Different looks right quick, you know what I'm saying? Why would I not like this? So I'm definitely gonna keep this in for quite some time because I really get tired of combing my hair sometimes, and also I just want it to grow. So because I'm going to literally be able to see how much it grows by the root, because right now it's like, right here, but then it's gonna probably like get so loose and come to here, which would mean it would literally show through the growth, and I'm really excited to see that. So I will do a check-in towards the end when I'm about to pull it out. Or maybe I'll do it while I'm pulling it out. I'm not sure if I can manage pulling it out, but the stylus, of course, will make it super easy. And I will be able to see like the separation. I will just like clip somewhere here and it will just follow like that. And that's it, but I'm a little nervous, so I'm not sure if I'm gonna do it, but I'll show you guys before I pull it out to see like, you know, how much growth compared to this video, sorry, and then where I'm at now. So this is it. That's it, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, all that good stuff. And let me know if you like this kind of video. And tell me how you feel about these locks. Are you gonna go get some now? Alright guys, catch you later. Bye.